Guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, just go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your bells because you don't want to miss any of the new videos that I am posting. Now today I will be installing a water wave wig from Yolissa's hair company. Now I actually went ahead and cut the lace and installed this wig on her the day before, but the video was not clear at all. I did not realize that my camera was blurry, so I had to take it out, and I'm doing a reinstallation video for you. And she is doing the same style she had the day before. Now because the lace is cut already and I even had the baby hairs cut, I'm just going to basically show you how to reinstall a previously cut lace wig. So first things first, you want to put on the cap, clean the hairline with the alcohol. And I did use a light cap for her, and I just put her foundation color on top of the cap. And instead of using lace tint, I put that same foundation that's on her cap on the inside of her lace. And the foundation that I use is from Ruby Kisses, and I did use level 14. So as far as applying the lace glue today, I will be using a Bold Hold Active. I usually use Ghost Bond, but since I ordered 3 bottles of this Bold Hold and I absolutely love it, I'm going to continue to use it until all of it runs out. Now I apply 4 layers, and I showed you guys 2 layers. I showed you guys the first layer and the last layer. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pull that lace down into that glue. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know I always start by pulling the center into the glue first. But in this video, I started by laying the lace on the side, and then I went to the middle, and then I did the other side. And I actually kind of like that way better versus me doing the middle than the sides for some reason. So I would do more tutorials on how I installed this wig today from one side to the other. Now, I love the quality of this lace because when I say it literally disappeared into her skin, like it literally disappeared, like it was the perfect blend. The lace is very, very thin, and here I'm just showing you, I paused that video, exactly what I was talking about. Like, I love thin laces because it's so much easier to melt down versus having an extremely thick lace. So I really love this lace wig because one, the hair was nice and soft, and the way that lace just went into that skin was nothing short of perfect. Now as far as styling today, she really didn't want like a part, but to just make it neat, I did like pull the hair neatly apart because she kind of wanted the hair to just fall over to one side, and she just wanted some baby hair, so she didn't really want like just a part. So I'm not going to do any concealing of the part or anything like that. She really wanted just a comb over type of look. So as you can see, this lace wig is blended in really good. But now I'm just going to go ahead and take that Beautiful Hustler melt belt, which you can purchase on my website. The link is below, so make sure you check that out. And I let that dry, let that sit on her hairline for 10 minutes while that glue completely dried. And another thing that I didn't do in this video that I usually do was add mousse before laying down that lace. I did not use any mousse this time, just to show you guys something different. Like if you don't have mousse, you don't have to use it. As long as you have that Beautiful Hustler melt belt and you put that glue on there correctly and used enough, your lace will stick down and you can still get that molded and melted look. So make sure you guys do take advantage of the melt belts and purchase yours today. So before I actually swoop the baby hairs and everything like that, I'm just going to use my wax stick, and I want to hot comb the roots of the front of this wig out, because you want it to be very still, like smooth and neat and natural looking, especially at the roots. Like just because you want the comb over doesn't mean the roots have to look puffy or anything like that. So I did go in and hot comb the front out just to have it lay nice and smooth and neat, and then I will proceed with creating the baby hairs. As far as the baby hairs today, I will be using the Got To Be gel instead of the mousse. And I just use either method, like whichever one I feel like doing for the day, I do it. So some days I use the got to be, and some days I will use the mousse. It's just whatever I feel like doing for that day. And like I said before, this is a water wave wig, so I did wet this wig, just a little bit. I didn't make it soaking wet because I still wanted to keep some of that fullness in the wig. Now, like I said, I will be using the got to be gel to form the baby hairs, and I'm just taking my edge brush and just lightly swooping those hairs. And to make sure that your lace does not lift, you want to make sure you do blow dry that baby hair every time you create one, and that just makes everything so much easier for you. So like I said, I would just go ahead and do that from left to right and just do the finishing touches on this look. This is a very quick and simple installation video, and this look also will look really, really nice if the hair was even fluffier and curlier. Like I definitely like this look, especially if you're somebody who just like a lot of fullness to one side of your head. Like whether you're using water wave or a curlier wig, like the looks comes out so pretty every time. So yeah, so basically once I finish blow drying those edges out, I will do the other side, and then I will take my got to be spray just to kind of smooth out and create the hump, and that way it does not really move over to the other side. And then I will show you guys the finishing look. So make sure you continue to watch this video and continue watching all the way to the end to see the finished product, and let me know what you guys think about this look down in the comments below. So thank you guys for watching this video. And this is pretty much the finishing look. Like I said, I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and thank you for staying tuned to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. Till next time.